So I'm going to do a review about this Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato. Suddenly it popped up in the AliExpress store. I hadn't seen it on social media or anywhere else. And it is from the brand Sparky. So I was pretty surprised to see a Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato from the brand Sparky. Normally Sparky is into racing models. So I thought, let's give it a try. So here we see the website, sparkymodel.com, and we can see it's a 164 scale. Here we see the address of Sparky in Germany. Oh, by the way, next week I'm going to this address. Werkstrasse 1 is the place of Simba Dickey. So Sparky Models is part of the Simba Dickey empire. No, I'm not going there for Sparky. I'm going there for Majorette, and I'm going to do a full report about that. Don't worry. Barcode, article number, and we can see it's a licensed product. That is what we like. Do like the package. The most important thing is inside. There we go. Very well packed. Box package. That is my favorite type of package. So we can see rubber tires, no brake disc or brake claw. Painted. No, these are lanced lights here in the front. And then this is supposed to be LED lights. Well, that's pretty well done, I have to say. Lamborghini logo, because it's a licensed product. We have the interior. Or the dashboard. No mirror in the middle, but we do have nice side mirrors. Those are made of plastic, hard plastic, with some silver paint on it. Here it says Sterrato. Pretty good rolling wheels. Yeah, in the front they're also rolling. And we got a spare tire here on top. I like that. It's a little bit of the SUV model from Lambo. Yeah, also rubber tire. I like that. Here we got the back. No lens lights, painted lights. Good exhaust. Would be cool if it had a license plate in the back. We have a metal base. No normal screws, so I don't think this is from the Mini GT factory. You never know. You never know, because it looks pretty much like Mini GT quality. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, let's have a look at the interior. So we have a good steering wheel. We have a nice black interior with some details. Yeah, it is nice. Okay, let me know what you think about this Lamborghini Sterrato in a 164 scale from the brand Sparky. I will leave a link in the description of where I bought it. Don't forget to smash the like button. Click, 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 click. And I will see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.